What is your name?
My name is Vignesh Vishnu Kamble.
How old are you?
I am 13 years old.
Do you know how to speak English now?
Yes, I know.
Do you understand English?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, so do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
Which school do you go?
I go to school.
What is your school's name?
My school's name is Shiv Kalyan Shikshan Sanstha.
Okay, so do you have friends in school?
Yes, I have friends in school.
Okay, so do you go to market?
Yes, I go to market.
Do you help your father?
Yes, I help my father.
Okay, do you have sister?
Yes, I have a sister.
How old is she?
My sister is 10 years old.
Okay, so in which school she goes?
She goes Shiv Kalyan Shikshan Sanstha.
Okay, she is also in Shiv Kalyan Shikshan Sanstha with you. Okay, so where is your mummy now?
My mummy is at home.
Okay, so now I am going to ask you some questions. Okay,
Yes.
I will be asking you questions in Marathi. You will have to translate that sentence into English only. Okay. तो घरी आहे.
He is at home.
तो घरी होता.
He was at home.
तो घरी असेल.
He will at home.
ही विल बी ॲट होम. मी कदाचित येईन.
I may come.
मी बोलू शकतो.
I can talk.
मी बोलू शकलो.
I could talk.
तो क्रिकेट खेळायचा.
He played cricket.
ही वूड प्ले क्रिकेट. तू अभ्यास केला पाहिजे.
You should study.
तू अभ्यास केलाच पाहिजे.
You must study. Must study.
तू अभ्यास केला पाहिजे होता.
You should have studied.
यू शुड हॅव स्टडीड. तो घरी गेला.
He went to home. He went home.
तो खोटं बोलला.
He lied.
तो जेवला नाही.
He didn't eat.
आम्ही घरी आहे.
We are at home.
उद्या आम्ही मुंबईला चाललो आहे.
Tomorrow we will go to Mumbai.
तिकडे कोणीही नाही.
Nobody is there.
आम्ही खरं बोलतो.
We wear truth.
मला इंग्लिश आवडते.
I like English.
मला काम करावं लागतं.
I have to talk. I have to work.
मी खरं बोलतो.
I speak. I truth.
आय स्पीक ट्रूथ.
I speak truth.
मला काम करावं लागलं.
I had to work.
आय हॅड टू वर्क. मी जेवलो असतो.
I would have eaten. I would have eaten.
आय वुड हॅव इटन. तो मेहनत करतो.
He struggled.
ही स्ट्रगल्स. तो अभ्यास करत नाही.
He doesn't study.
ओके, थँक्यू विघ्नेश. गो टू युअर प्लेस नाव.
Thank you.
Go back little, go back. Okay, how are you?
I'm fine.
Where is your sister now?
My sister is at home.
Okay, and what is your father doing now?
My father is now eating food.
Okay, and what is your mummy doing?
My mummy is eating food.
Where do you live?
I live in Ghansur.
How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling little nervous.
Okay, why? Because you are in a video now.
Yes.
Okay, so in which school do you study?
I study in Shatkari Shikshan Sanstha.
Okay, so do you enjoy learning English?
Yes.
Okay, do you understand all the things now?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, so it helps your study also?
Yes, it helps.
Okay, so we are going to ask you some questions. Are you ready for those questions?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so I will be asking you questions in Marathi. Are you comfortable in Marathi?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm comfortable.
मला बोलायला आवडतं.
I like to talk.
तो बोलत नाही.
He doesn't talk.
तो शाळेला जातो का?
Does he go to school?
ती जेवली का?
Did he eat?
मी तिकडे असेन.
I will be there.
तो मंदिरात असेल,
He will be in temple.
तो मला मदत करतो,
He helps me.
मी त्यांना मदत नाही करत.
I don't help him.
तो घरी गेला,
He go at home.
तो जेवत आहे.
तो जेवत आहे. He's eating.
मी बाजारात आहे,
I'm in the market.
माझ्या घरी पाहुणे आले आहेत.
There are guests at my home.
ओके. तू शाळेला कसं जातो?
How do you go to school?
तू अभ्यास कसा करतो?
How do you study?
तू कुठे चालला आहेस?
Where are you going?
मी घरी जात आहे.
I am going to home.
मला खूप काम आहे.
I have so much work.
आमच्या घरी पाणी नाही.
Our home, we don't have water.
मी झाडांना पाणी घालतो.
I water plant.
आय वॉटर टू प्लांट्स. ओके.
I water to plants.
तू कुठे आहेस?
Where are you?
तिकडे कोणी नाही.
There is no one.
मी एकटाच आहे.
I am alone.
मला कोणीही मदत नाही केली.
No one helped me.
तू तिकडे जातो का?
Do you go there?
तुला इंग्लिश आवडते का?
Do you like English?
तू अभ्यास केला आहेस का?
Did you study?
डिड यू स्टडी?
Did you study?
तो घरी आला आहे का?
Did he come at home?
पूर्ण वर्तमानकाल. तू घरी आला आहेस.
You have come at home.
तो तिकडे गेलेला आहे.
He has gone at there.
तो घरी असेल.
He will be at home.
मी कदाचित जाईन.
I may go.
ओके. गो टू युअर प्लेस नाउ.
Thank you, sir.
हु इज थर्ड? कम. So Soham, are you ready?
Yes.
Speak louder, okay?
Okay.
How old are you?
I am 13 years old.
In which standard you are now?
I am 7th standard.
Speak loudly. So do you have brother?
Yes, I have a brother.
What is his name?
My brother's name is Rudra.
Do you have sister?
No.
So which school do you go?
I am.
Which school do you go? I go to, na? I am go. It's not correct. I go to like this, okay? So next question. आम्ही घरी आहे.
I am at home.
आम्ही घरी आहे.
We are at home.
तो घरी होता.
He was at home.
मी बाहेर जात आहे. चालू वर्तमान काळ. आय एम
Go to outside.
आय एम गोईंग आउटसाइड. मी काम करत आहे.
I am working.
माझ्याजवळ पुस्तक आहे.
I have a book.
त्यांच्याजवळ पुस्तक नाही.
He has no book.
त्यांच्याजवळ दे हॅव.
He have no book. They have no book.
त्याच्याजवळ पेन आहे.
He has pen.
मी जेवलो नाही.
I didn't eat.
आय डिडंट इट. तो घरी गेला.
He go home. He went home.
ही वेंट होम. मी खोटं बोलत नाही.
I don't lie.
आय डोंट लाय. आम्ही अभ्यास करत आहे. आम्ही अभ्यास करत आहे.
We are studying.
मला इंग्लिश आवडते.
I like English.
मला आईस्क्रीम नाही आवडत.
I don't like ice cream.
ओके. गो टू युअर प्लेस. हु इज फोर्थ पर्सन? कम. कम फास्टर. मेक इट फास्ट. कम कम कम. Yes. Come faster. Don't waste time now. So how are you?
I'm fine.
How old are you?
I'm 14 years old.
In which standard you are now?
I'm in 9th standard.
Okay. So do you understand English?
Yes, I understand English.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
Do you speak English?
Yes.
Do you go to market?
Yes, I go to market.
Okay. So do you have brother?
Yes, I have brother.
Do you have sister?
Yes, I have sister.
Okay. So I'm going to ask you some questions in Marathi. Are you ready for those questions?
Yes, I ready.
Okay. So let's start now. मी घरी आहे.
I'm at home.
वडील काम करत आहेत.
My father is working.
मम्मी घरी नाही.
My mom is not at home.
भाऊ जेवत आहे.
My brother is eating.
आम्ही बोलत आहोत.
We are talking.
मला बोलायला आवडतं.
I talk. I like to talk.
तो कुठे आहे?
Where is he?
तो घरी गेला.
He went home.
तुला मी मार्केटमध्ये बघितलं.
Sorry.
आय सॉ यू इन मार्केट. तू खेळत होता.
You was playing.
यू वॉज आता आहे.
You were playing.
यू वेअर प्लेईंग. तिकडे कोण होतं?
Who was there?
तिकडे कोणीही नव्हतं.
Nobody was there.
आम्ही मंदिरात आहे.
We are at a temple.
आमच्याजवळ पैसे नाहीत.
We have no money.
आमच्याजवळ पैसे आहेत.
We have money.
आमच्याजवळ खूप पैसे नाहीत.
We have not so much money.
आमच्याजवळ खूप पुस्तके आहेत.
We have so much books.
सो मच बुक्स. व्हाय सो मच बुक्स?
So books.
We have so many books. Okay, because countable, so we have to use many. Okay, so okay, next student,
Thank you, sir.
go to your place. Arey, why are you laughing now? Come. So what is your name?
My name is Sanjana Satyendra Tiwari.
So how old are you?
I am 14 years old.
In which standard you are now?
I am in 8th standard.
Do you understand English now?
Yes, I understand English.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I like.
Do you have sister?
Yes, I have 2 sisters.
Okay, you have 2 sisters.
Yes.
So where is your father?
My father is at home.
Okay. So do you help your mother?
Yes, I help my mother.
So do you go to outside for playing?
Yes, I go to play outside.
Okay. So do you exercise?
No.
Do you watch movie?
Yes, I watch movie.
Do you play with your friends?
No, I don't play with my friends.
Do you study at home?
Yes, I study at home.
Okay. So we are going to take some questions in Hindi. I will be asking you questions in Hindi. Are you ready for those questions? Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
I'm ready.
मुझे प्यास लगी है.
I am thirsty.
मैंने खाना खाया.
I eat.
I ate. वो स्कूल गया.
He go to school.
वो स्कूल गया.
He gone to school. He went to school.
मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ.
I am studying.
मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ.
I go to school.
मुझे इंग्लिश अच्छा लगता है.
I like English.
मुझे चलना अच्छा लगता है.
I like to walk.
मैं बोल सकता हूँ.
I am able to talk.
मैं चल सकता हूँ.
I can walk.
मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना आता है.
I am able to talk in English.
मैं स्टोरी बताने वाली हूँ.
I am going to tell a story.
हम इंग्लिश बोलते थे.
We was talking English.
We were
We were talking
we used to, actually we have to use that, okay? We used to speak in English. मैं मदद कर रही हूँ.
I am helping.
माँ घर पे है.
Mother is at home.
मुझे बाहर जाना है.
I want to go outside.
मुझे कार चाहिए.
I want car.
मुझे पता है.
I know.
मुझे पता नहीं है.
I don't know.
मुझे कुछ भी पता नहीं है.
I don't know anything.
मुझे सब कुछ पता है.
I know everything.
वो गया.
He gone. He go.
ही वेंट, ओके.
He went.
मैं सच बोलता हूँ.
I speak truth.
ओके. हम क्रिकेट खेलते थे.
We was play cricket.
वी वेयर प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. लेकिन आपको बोलना चाहिए वी यूज टू प्ले क्रिकेट, ओके. तुम्हें पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए.
Uh, you should study.
तुम्हें स्कूल जाना चाहिए.
You should go to school.
हमें पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए.
We should study.
हमें काम करना पड़ता है.
We have to do work.
उसे काम करना पड़ता है.
He has to do work.
उसे खाना बनाना पड़ता है.
He has to cook food.
वो स्कूल नहीं जाती.
He doesn't go to school.
वो स्कूल नहीं जाती.
She don't go to school.
शी डजंट गो टू स्कूल. मैंने खाना नहीं खाया.
I don't eat.
मैंने खाना खाया.
I eat.
आई एट. ओके, गो टू योर प्लेस नाउ. हु इज नेक्स्ट? कम. सो अजिंक्य, हाउ आर यू?
I'm fine.
वेयर इज योर ब्रदर?
My brother is at class.
Okay, your brother is in class. So, do you understand English now?
Yes, I understand.
Do you understand grammar also?
Yes.
All the grammars I am teaching you, do you understand all those grammar?
Yes.
Okay. So, how old are you now?
I am 37.
Okay, in which class you are now?
I am 7th standard.
Okay, and in which standard your brother is in now?
My brother is in 5th standard.
Okay. So, we are going to ask you some questions in Marathi. Okay, are you ready for those questions?
Yes.
Okay. मी घरी आहे.
I am at home.
तो घरी होता.
He was at home.
मला काम करावं लागतं.
I have to work.
तिला काम करावं लागतं.
She has to work.
त्यांना बसावं लागतं.
They have to sit.
दे हॅव टू सीट. मला जाऊ द्या.
Let I go.
लेट मी गो. त्यांना येऊ द्या.
Let they come.
लेट देम कम. तिला बसू द्या.
Let her go. Let her sit.
तिला अभ्यास करू द्या.
Let her study.
आम्ही बोलत आहे.
We are talking.
आम्ही बोलतो.
We talk.
तू बोलतो का?
Does you talk? Do you talk?
तो शाळेला जातो का?
Does he go to school?
ती जेवण बनवते का?
Does she cook?
मला माहिती आहे.
I know.
मला माहिती होतं.
I was know.
मला माहिती असेल.
I will be know.
मी घरी असेल.
I will be at home.
तो कदाचित येईल.
He may come.
तू अभ्यास केला पाहिजे.
You should study.
मी बोलू शकतो.
I can talk.
तो पळू शकला.
He could run.
तू अभ्यास केलाच पाहिजे.
You must study.
ओके, थँक यू अजिंक्य. सो हू इज नेक्स्ट नाव? डू यू वॉन्ट टू टॉक? वेट. Is there somebody? Do you want to talk? Do you want to talk? Rudra, do you want to talk? Nobody? Okay, so we are. Come. How are you?
I am fine.
Where do you live?
I live in Hosoli.
Do you have brother?
I am brother.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
Do you help your mother?
Yes, I help your
Do you go to school?
I am go to school.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
You are 10 years old.
Yes.
So do you understand English?
Yes, I understand English.
Do you go to market?
Yes, I go to market.
Do you work at home?
Yes, I work at home.
Do you help your mother?
Yes, I help my mother.
So I am going to ask you some questions, basic questions in Marathi. You just answer it, okay? मला काम करावं लागतं.
I have to work.
मी घरी आहे.
I am at home.
मी बोलत आहे.
I am talk.
आय एम टॉकिंग. मी चालत आहे. आय एम वॉकिंग.
I am working.
तो बोलत आहे.
He is talk.
ही इज टॉकिंग.
He is talking.
मी बोलत नाही.
I don't talk.
मी इंग्लिश बोलतो.
I am talking English.
आय टॉक इंग्लिश.
I talk English.
तो इंग्लिश बोलत नाही.
He is don't speak English.
ओके, सिट डाउन. यू वॉन्ट टू स्पीक?
Yes.
You want to speak?
Yes.
Come. How are you?
I am fine.
Where are you?
I am standing.
Okay. So do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
Do you understand English?
Yes, I understand English.
Where do you live?
I live in Gansuri.
How old are you?
I am 9 years old.
Do you have sister?
No, I don't have sister.
Do you have brother?
Yes, I have brother.
Where is your father?
My father is at home.
Okay, go to your place.